Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a single video. We got a synthetic wig from the TikTok shop. Here's how the wig looks, y'all. It is giving kinky, curly, like natural hair for real. Look at that. You get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. I'm not gonna run my fingers straight through it, so I'm gonna do like this. You do get some shedding out of this wig.
But bang 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 bang, Tosi young say.
And it comes the big lord.
Say now, E5, E4. Say me I love you to the max, me no lie. But things them a talk me no buy. Girl, you make me feel butterfly. Every night and day me love always multiply. You are the ways that make a Batman fly. Me a tick blue for you verify. Girl, come in and me at occupy. Make Rasta boy Tosi young satisfied now. Intoxicating me. Everything a fresh and clean. Chocolate girl with a spotless skin. You make all the man them hit them must be now. Intoxicating me. Everything a fresh and clean. Chocolate girl with a spotless skin. You make all the man them hit them must be now. Me love you, me love you. Me love you, me love you, me love you, me love you. No other girl above you. No girl can take the place you have in my life. Give me your time. Girl, me I say me not wasting your time. Me love you like Christians loving their church. Let Muslims loving the mosque. Me love you like pilots loving to fly. Like footballers loving to score. Me love sharper than the age of a song. Batman tell him no. Oh no 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 no. Hey yeah, this a free thing. You know. Ah, to see on this. I got David respect, you know. Run on it. One love, you know. I just be respect to, more. Number 1, say. I don't do. I know, cut on. You don't do now, yourself. Now what for you?